What's going on, Credit Snipers? This is your boy Carlos Estrada Vega with the Credit Assassins channel. Guys, I appreciate that you guys are here today. Thank you for being here today, guys. I'm excited. Today is the beginning of a new week. I want to make sure that I bring to you some new content. Been doing some research over the weekend, but I've been getting a lot of questions too on how to start setting up my credit. Hey, I want to go ahead and get a house. I want to go ahead and get a vehicle. I want to go ahead and do different things in life. And I understand, guys, 2022, we have in the back of our ears possibly President Biden trying to change the credit bureaus and bringing the CFPB. So that's that's actually another video that I did. I'm gonna put the link at the end on that one. But guys, you know what? It is time for you to start taking charge, taking leadership on your own credit, your own life, or your own finances. Because I understand this is something we did not learn in school, and I want to make sure that I know most of you want to. You at the stage of your life that you know that what we learned before is not working, it won't work. So we need to start learning from the people that actually been there, done it, and that's what I did, guys. And I want to make sure that I bring that to you because the hacks and tricks that I'm doing today are helping me immensely, and I want to make sure that I bring that to you guys hot of the press, just taking it out of the oven, making sure that you guys know what to do. So what we're going to start doing, I'm going to start doing small clips in which I'm going to go ahead and show you or tell you certain things that you can do so you can start gaining results quick. Let's start staging and fixing your credit so like that you can start seeing results in the next 30-60 days. And if that's what you want to start doing creating a file or a new life in order to move on and do something that you want to do, create a business, like I said, buy a house, home, car, boat, whatever you want. Hey, this is what I want to make sure I do. But before I continue, guys, thank you for being here today. Again, make sure that you subscribe, make sure that you click on the bell icon, make sure that you click on all so that you'll be notified every time that I post a new content, guys. And I'm coming to you between 1 to 4 times. Now, just past week, we actually put in almost 1 to 6 pieces of content daily, guys, so don't miss each one of them. Either if you can see all 6, not a problem, but at least watch 1 or 2 because they will help you. You may find something within that video that is going to change your life. Now, give me the thumbs up because this is going to help me out with the algorithm, and I want to make sure that I take this content to many people out there. I want to help many of you, and whatever I can do, guys, it could be just the smallest things that actually sets my pace. That's what I'm here for, to bring value to you and change your life overall and help you in your path on becoming wealthy, becoming financially independent, and creating a better legacy for you and your family. Guys, so let's talk about it real quick. One of the main things that you need to think about is your age, the age of your credit. The age of your credit is actually affects you a lot, especially when you're going to get new credit, because they see that your credit file is kind of young, meaning that just a couple of years, then the credit is gonna, they're gonna take back on lending you any more money because they're gonna say, look, this person has not been around for so long. They don't have a credit file that is old enough for me to figure out if I could lend them this much amount of money that he or she is looking for. Is that person going to be responsible? Is that person going to actually pay me back? And I'm not saying young kids today are actually not responsible. I'm not saying that. But compare lending amount of money to a 18-year-old, 17-year-old to opposed to a 30, 35-year-old. Which one you'll think that actually has more responsibility or be more responsible paying that back? For the most part, it would be the 35, but trust me, I've seen 35 that think like 17, 18. I've seen 18 and 17 think like 35. So by no shape of mean, I'm meaning that young kids are not responsible at all. That's not what I'm saying. But that is the criteria, that is the concept, or that's the perception that a lot of the creditors have. So let's play their game. Let's get ahead of the game. Just like playing chess, you gotta be 6 moves ahead, see what could happen, what can go wrong, and just prepare for it, make it happen, so that when they come back, they have no excuse to get back to you and say, no, we can't lend you this money because of this. So let's set up your file to the point that, hey, you are going to get approved. So one of the main things is age, like I was saying. So why not set up primaries? Credit primary. So a credit primary is usually the credit card or the loan that you get in your credit report. But how about if I could show you a trick without having to get an inquiry on your credit, without having to affect the age of your credit? As a matter of fact, by getting this primary, you will be able to increase the age of your credit report or credit score overall. Well, guys, here we go. At the end of this, I'm gonna go ahead and put the 2 links in the bottom of, yeah, I tell you it's too. So I'm gonna put the 2 links in the bottom of the video so like that you can go ahead and start working on it. Look, I'm not getting any money from this. It's not an affiliate. It's just the 2 links that I'm telling you, it will help you. So the first one is going to be rent reporters. Why rent reporters? Because I know many of you don't have a home. And I know the home, like when you get a mortgage, you get that age on your credit report. Plus it helps you to build credit over time, right? So how about if you're renting? There's really nothing out there, right? But yes, there is. And a lot of people do not know this. You could go to rentreporters.com. And guess what, guys? You can report your rental for the past 2 years. But you're gonna tell me, how about if I don't rent? How about if I live with mom and dad? Not a problem. There's little hacks in here that I can help you with too. How about if you still do the same process as a person that will rent, but then tell that person, mom, dad, brother, sister, cousin, whoever you live with, mom, dad, when they get to you, when they email you, when they call you, can you please confirm that I rent from you and I paid this much amount of money? For the most part, they're going to say, yes, not a problem, son, daughter, whoever you are to them. So this is one of those hacks, guys. Now, Rent Reporter reports to all 3 credit bureaus, Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. Yes, it reports to all credit bureaus. Now, I'm going to give you another one that actually I found out recently, and it helped me a lot too, because I did it myself. Even though that I own mortgages, one of my companies also rents to me. So I reported that rent, and I was able to also get an extra H in my credit, which helped my credit score go a up a little more. Here we go. So it's called Boom Pay app. Boom Pay app. Don't worry about it. I'll put the link in the bottom. That is same thing. They're going to report to all 3 credit bureaus, but those 2 right there. I have another one that I actually thought about that I want to go ahead and give you as a bonus. Everybody talk about Credit Karma, right? But Credit Karma has something called Rental Karma. Rental Karma there is just like Credit Karma, but it's Rental Karma. It will do the same job as the Rent Reporters and BoomPay, but at the same time, it's a little bit cheaper. Now, out of all three services, BoomPay will be a lot cheaper than Rent Reporters and Rental Karma. But I advise you to at least get one if you cannot get 2, because why not hit it with both sides in order to create that age organically as soon as possible, so like that you could get approved for whatever you're looking for in life and whatever stage that you're trying to go in life today. Guys, hey, I hope this helped you. I just want to make it short and sweet, so like that I can help you to start building the credit that you need today. Guys, my name is Carlos Estrada Vega. I appreciate the time that you guys were here today. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure that you click on the bell icon, click on all. Give me the thumbs up. You're gonna help me out very much, guys. Give me the thumbs up. I appreciate it. Once again, my name is Carlos Estrada Vega. I am the Credit Assassin, and I'll see you in the next video.